execute him on the spot, please?
Wait.
What the actual?
Because my camera's going right now, I will say no, we can't do that.
But I would caution you, you gotta, I mean, right now, the way they look at this is an attempted kidnap because it's really not anything else.
A drive-thru barista is grabbed through the window at 2:30 a.m. When police find the suspect, he agrees to talk. What he says next is hard to explain away.
Yes, he grabbed me by this arm and
Okay. Do you know him?
no, he paid with credit card. He was a customer.
Okay. What's his... Does his card have a name on it or anything?
Right here, Ezekiel O'Gara. I don't know if it's a stolen credit card. He was in a
In a Scion TC, right?
Yes, Cyan TC. It was like that space gray, like that, like not dimensional color or metallic.
Okay.
Whatever. I couldn't get the license plate because I was too busy getting up.
Did you see which way he went?
That way, and then I went to call the cops.
Okay. Have you ever seen this guy before?
No, I've never seen him before. Never, ever.
Okay.
Ever. First time.
Okay, so I know you described him to the dispatcher on the phone, but what did he look like?
He was like a barely fucking Hispanic, super fucking white guy with a blue bandana on his head and a blue, like, Dodgers, bright fucking blue Dodgers jersey. I was joking. I was like, what, your favorite color's fucking blue? Like, and, like, patterned fake fucking Louis Vuitton jeans. Like, blue jeans with the fake fucking designer shit all over them.
Anybody else in the car with him?
No, he was by himself.
Okay. Okay. Did he mention anything? Like, how long was he here?
He was here for, like, I was making his fucking drink for probably like 2 or 3 or 4 fucking minutes, whatever, chatting with him like any normal fucking customer, you know, what are you up to?
Anything else in the conversation that was
I
noteworthy?
said, probably when I was going, I was like, are you fucked up right now? Because bro was fucking acting stupid. He says, yeah, kind of. And then bro tries to pull me out of the fucking window.
Okay. Alright. Do you I see red marks on your wrist there.
All of my arm.
Okay.
All of my arm. In my fucking armpit.
Jesus.
Bro fucking tried to pull me out of the fucking window.
Alright. Let me get my camera, we'll get pictures of your red marks and stuff, and we'll keep looking for them here. Alright, I assume like your arm was just getting like yanked against the
right here.
the frame,
Because I grab this fucking window whenever I go to fucking lean out this window because you got me fucked up. You got me so fucked up.
Sure.
When are these retards gonna figure out the center of gravity? Holy fuck. Are they fucking stupid?
Hey, do
And
you have
pay with
access?
this fucking credit card and not even cash? No, my boss probably does not give a single fuck, honestly. I can ask.
Yeah.
I knew it happened at fucking 2:20.
Yeah.
And all my cameras are working right now, and they were working, so I don't know. I can fucking ask.
Okay.
So I got fucking almost snatched out the window.
Alright. So if we can find him, then we'll come back. We'll get you. We'll
Execute him on the spot, please.
What
the actual?
Because my camera's going right now, I will say no, we can't do that.
They find him. He waives his rights and starts talking.
Yeah.
What happened?
Just before, you know, I mean, I could ask for an attorney, but I figured, you guys seen. If I'm being the only thing I was messed up that night. I was drinking. I was CrossFit. I was all of it. I remember I had something. I had lost 1,000 that night. I remember being angry and I was drinking, and I had my ex. We're just over, so I was like in a sad moment. I remember I was just super drunk. I don't remember too much of everything. I remember I was drinking, and I had ended up there, and all I remember is she asked me a question, and then I had reached in, and then and I remember opening my eyes, and then the moment she had like said help, I let go, and I just stopped, let it go, put the thing, and that's it. Like I'm being completely honest. I was super drunk that night. I was smoking all of it, and that night I just um, I don't know. It was a mistake. It was honestly I didn't mean it. Like that's not me. I promise. Like it was just genuinely like it was just the moment that I had. I wish that I didn't. You know.
Had you ever been there before?
Maybe one time before, couple like a while back. Not like regular or anything like that.
Do you remember what you ordered?
I always get a strawberry smoothie. I never get anything else. I always get a strawberry smoothie, and I know because the next morning I seen the strawberry smoothie in my car.
What made you so angry?
The 1,000.
So you lost 1,000.
I lost 1,000. I was very sad. I was upset. My ex, we were going through things, and I felt alone. I know I was just drinking, and I was smoking, and I had like flashes, and I remember being there. I remember going there, and then I remember like at a moment of time, she had asked me a question, something about like being messed up or something like that. I'd say yeah, and then
How'd you lose 1,000? Gambling?
no, not gambling. I had 1,000 on me, and I was drunk. And I remember dropping my wallet. I lost my key fob too to my work, and so I had to get that replaced. I lost some receipts in my wallet that night too. No, it was just a bad night for me. I'm sorry.
And you say you're smoking marijuana?
Yeah, marijuana.
So you were drunk and stoned?
Yeah. It was just a bad night.
Were you angry at the barista?
No. I remember I was just angry because of the 1,000 and the situation that me and my ex were going through, and then I just felt alone. And then I don't know. I remember I don't even know. Like I remember I was going home, and I ended up there. I seen the place, ended up there, and then all that happened, and I just remember letting go, and then just driving. I don't like want nothing. Like I just let go, drove off, and that was it.
It sounds like it was kind of a spur of the moment thing, right? Like it just happened.
Yeah, and I'm so like I didn't even remember the full thing. Like I remember I was there, and I remember it happened, but I don't even remember the full thing. Like I'm being honest. Like yeah, I was drunk and I was drinking, and it was just I was smoking, and I wasn't in right minded state. You know.
What do you think you would have done had you pulled her through the window?
I promise you, like at that moment, at that time, I wasn't even like I don't even remember like physically grabbing her like that. Like I promise you, in that the moment I snapped back, I promise you, I let her go because she had said help, and I just drove off. I didn't do nothing. I just remember like I swear it was just a terrible moment, and I don't even remember like actually like having a reason why to do that.
Do you remember the drive home?
Oh, yeah, like vividly, yeah.
Vividly, you remember that?
Vividly, I remember driving.
Do you remember once you got home? What did you do when you got home?
I remember going straight to my bed, and that was it. I fell asleep.
Okay, but you remember that?
Yeah, no. I do remember making it to my room. And
Well, I mean, I think it goes without saying you scared the hell out of this girl. I mean, it's cut and dry, right? I mean, you used a credit card, you used a debit card with your name on it, the car's registered to you, you're on video. I mean, it sounds like it was probably an impulsive action or impulsive thing that you did, but you know, this girl.
Yeah, I get it.
It's 2:30 in the morning, right?
Yeah, I get it.
Lakewood's not an easy town.
Yeah, I get it.
It just, you know, we're not here to condemn you by any means.
No, I
just,
get it.
you know, for the longest time, we've been trying to figure out like what was your goal or.
No, I get it. I don't even know why I even showed up there, bro. Like I was drunk, I was upset, and I don't even remember like talking to her at first. Like I mean, like it was just a moment. I just flashes. Like I was drunk, I was smoking, I was fucked up. Like I'm just like being real. Like I was like.
How'd you pick that stand? Because that stand's nowhere near your
It's
house.
kind of off the beaten path for you.
That's just the only one that I know that's always open at that time. There's no other one, so that's why I knew. It's like I don't go out to that area. I just had went. I was drinking. I wasn't in the right state of mind. Like it was just an idea. I thought it was good, you know.
Did you think we'd be coming eventually?
I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, I figured like, you know, like, cause like if I'm being honest, like I was like I woke up the next morning and I knew what I had done, but I was like it wasn't me. Like I don't know. Like I'm very sorry, and I just
So at the moment, I mean, you said you went through a fit of anger or rage. I think you said anger, not rage, but what did she do to prompt that? Like, did she say something? Did she say something to offend you?
no. It was like I said, I wasn't like I was talking to her and I was there, but like I wasn't there. Like my mind, I was just drunk and I was just focused on like everything that like
What triggered you though? Like, what was that final second? That because I'll tell you what happened.
yeah
She handed you the drink. You took the drink and threw it on the ground.
yeah
So it's like when she handed you the drink, it almost was as if in your mind you said, "Okay, this is the end of the conversation. The contact is over," and you just like that. You threw it. You grabbed her. You tried to pull her. You lost your grip. You went to reach up high on her arm, and she was able to kind of break free because she locked her knees against the counter.
Then the detective asks the one question he can't answer.
How often do you go to Bikini?
never. That was literally just a drunk idea. I hardly go.
So what was the idea? I mean, what? Forgive me, because I'm a woman.
No, I get it. I get
But
it.
but what in the middle of the night? I get you've broken up with your girlfriend. Are you lonely? You know what makes you say instead of going to like Dairy Queen and getting the smoothie, I'm gonna go see a girl that's not wearing.
Yeah. I mean,
Like, what is in your mind when you make the decision to drive to Lakewood?
No. I get that. Like I said, I don't know. I wasn't in the right state of mind. I wasn't thinking. Like it just came to mind. I thought it was a good idea. I figured, oh, you know what? You know, like F it. I'm drunk. Single. You know.
But I guess my question is like, did you think maybe you could get a date? Like, or you just want to go see a pretty girl? Or do you think that maybe...
Honestly, I don't, I just see, like, probably just to see the pretty girl, yeah, but like, I don't, not like a date or anything like that.
Were you angry? Were you angry at women or in general because of what you were going through?
No, I'm not angry at women in general.
No, at that time. Were you pissed at her, so maybe you took it out? You pissed at your ex, so you maybe took it out on this girl? When you maybe saw it wasn't going anywhere?
Oh, can you rephrase that one?
So were you, you said you were angry and sad, you had all these wide variety of emotions. Is it possible that when you got there, you know, those girls or women are very vulnerable at 2:30 in the morning. Obviously the way they're dressed, how they're working, where they're at, they're exposed to, you know, all types of people that come through there. And so when we see that, we have to think the worst. We have to think, you know, were you going to kidnap her? Were you going to kill her? Were you going to sexually assault her?
Yeah.
Has this happened somewhere else? Do we have a pattern? So we had to take it pretty serious.
Yeah, no, it makes sense. It makes sense.
So that's kind of why we came so hard at you.
No, it makes sense. I get it. I understand. I understand what I understand. Like like I said, I'm like very sorry. I was fucked up, and I don't remember. And it was just flashes, and I regret it, and I'm sorry. And it was just a moment, and I regret it. You know.
Sure, but I would caution you. You gotta. I mean, right now the way they look at this is an attempted kidnap because it's really not anything else.
Yeah.
So. I don't know how it's going to play out. It's not up to us once you leave this room. I mean, we just submit what we've done.